shapes are pure physics. It used to drive architects crazy because they like to control everything, but with the finite element analysis generates the shapes given certain boundaries that we defined. Simple principles like that. These simple principles, keep it simple. The wedging principle of the forcing the center pole onto the cross cables. There are thousands of them out there. We want to make sure that it works for them. Because we have one problem, we know we've got 10,000 problems.
It starts with the little attention to details. Our corner castings, for example, are sand cast aluminum, which means they don't break. The eave tubes and the leg tubes are identical. And there's no pins or bolts or nuts or anything that's modified that extrusion. So you can have it vertical, upside down, this way, that way. Anyway, you get a bundle of tubes, and that bundle comes in a very creative little carrying case. We have these stacking straps that wrap around the tubing, and the bottom of the stacking strap is a high-density plastic cradle with a webbing and a snap hook.
As well as Michael Leffler and Life Best in Tents and doing commercial tent installations, we also have tents we own ourselves that we just use for the Burning Man Festival. And we're going on, the tents that I use are going on 14 years now on the playa. They survive 70, 80 mile an hour wind gusts. We've never had a tent go down there on the playa, which is pretty amazing. And it turns out that our camp is where everybody runs to when the wind starts blowing and the dust starts flying. And we're the only place where you can sit down and not have to wear a face mask to try to keep the dust out. So,
because of the ease of the product, the simplicity of setting the tent up, and the quickness, and we now own over 150 marquee tents and 3 sizes of the T-span.
Tentnology tents are a great, innovative, technology advanced product, and it's an engineered product that works great for us. Easy to set up, easy to assemble on the site, lightweight, heavy duty.
Tentnology is still a very closely knit family organization. Again, we're a bit of a boutique manufacturing firm. We design these structures and do the engineering and manufacturing fabrication. And that's really quite unusual because a lot of tent manufacturers only do one of those areas. And that really allows us to be very responsive to the market. We've been around for 48 years, so every day is an interesting and new challenge, and we welcome everybody to call us and get to know our tents and our tent family.
PEng 5.